Why you want the heated milk is because if it's heated, there's less chances of it clumping and causing you a big old headache in the middle of making your mac and cheese. So do one ladle at a time. And keep whisking. You can turn the heat down a little bit to medium. As it starts to come together, you can add a little more than just the one. Okay, there we go. Our roux and our milk is combined. You can see my little bits of garlic floating around in there. Again, you can strain that garlic out if you want. I leave it in there